guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we are counting down to release day. We are on day 4. We have 2 more days until release day, March 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. On day 1, we created this card here, really cute slimline card with an action wobbler on there. So we revealed the stamp set. On day 2, we revealed the coordinating paper and ephemera. Now you can go back to each video to see how I made these and check out the revealed products. On day 3, we created this spring card, and I shared this card that I previously made, and I used the paper that we are revealing today. So we are revealing the Happy Frogs collection, gorgeous cute paper, and the coordinating ephemera. So I'm gonna dig into this paper so you can check it out up close. So here is a cute page. It's kind of like a watery look with bubbles. Would make a great page for a sky as well. Kind of looks like clouds. There is the cute frogs on this page. Just adorable. And the colors in this paper pad are just so cute. Got some ladybugs in this paper pad as well. So these two collections coordinate very well together. So nice faux glitter. There's that page I used for the frame on that card. Super, super cute mushrooms and frogs. When you get this box of the month, you're going to get so inspired to create some spring projects. There's a green chunky glitter and a nice deep green. Very, very cute frog. And tomorrow's stamp set coordinates with this collection. So the designs will repeat. You get 4 of each design. So let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. We're going to create a couple cards today. So we've got very, very cute little frog with his mushroom. There's a little bee. That darling little frog. Here he is on the pond. A little heart cluster. Little flower cluster. There's some single flowers in here. That's a really cute scene. Here's another one on the pond. Here's a lily pad. There's the other cluster there. Here's the little frog on the lily pad with the cattails. And you get a bunch of little clusters with flowers. That one has a little ladybug. Oops, I'm off screen there. That one has a little ladybug. This one has a little bumblebee. We've got a couple of smaller flowers. It's another cute little one on the lily pad. And here's a single pond and the cattail. So you can kind of build your own little scene there. Make it dimensional, pop things up. And then some more floral clusters. So these were off camera here. Let me put these over here. This is a heart one. Get some larger florals. Cute little frog. There's the other one. So most of these images, you got 2 of each. There's the little frog. So really fun. Let's create a couple of cards with this. So I've got 2 A2 size card bases. And let's pick out some patterns. Or let's pick out our images that we want to work with. Then I can pick out some coordinating patterns. I really like this one. So I'm going to do one with that. And I really like this one too. That's just so adorable. So we'll do those two. Let's see. I'll grab some little flowers to kind of coordinate. Okay, so let's put this to the side and pick out our coordinating patterns here. So let's see. Oh, this one actually matches this. So I might want to do that. Got that nice blue pattern. I kind of like this for this one. So let's take out this one. We can use the green on the other side. And let's get that matching one. This one. And I kind of like this for both of them. That's nice too. So let's grab this page. Okay, so I am going to cut down these two to fit on here, and then we'll make some panels to break up the patterns. Okay, so I got my pieces all cut out, kind of laid it out how I want it to be. I got a sentiment from tomorrow's reveal. You'll see the last stamp set in the box of the month, and it says, "You are totally awesome." So I'm going to stamp that here in the white space for our sentiment. So let's do that first and get out the Misty. Actually, let's put the layers together first because I want to see where I need to center the sentiment. So let's put on the scalloped, stitched scallop layer first. This die is going to be part of our Staples die collection in the future that will probably be releasing late April. And let's add some glue. So this scallop has a stitching, so this layer here, you will just put it right on top of the stitching and you will have your layer on there perfect. Gives you a little bit of a guide, which I find very helpful. Okay, let's do this one. So we'll kind of do these at the same time. Get both cards done at the same time. So I did a little scallop from the die here. I just cut this down. So I have a little scallop edge. And then I did a little bit of playing around with my dies to create a little, create this shape here. The top of this is going to be covered by my image, so I didn't really care about that. I just wanted a little bit of a white space for my sentiment. This one I'm going to have the little image peeking out from underneath this on an angle. So I'm going to pop up my image on this one. So I think we could go ahead and stamp our sentiment down. On March 1st, I will have the paper pad and the ephemera available for separate purchase. I will also have the coordinating dies to the stamp sets available for separate purchase. You do get the best deal when you buy the box of the month. You're getting a bundled price at 20% off. An even better deal is when you sign up for the monthly club. You'll get 25% off the retail price, which is our best deal. To sign up for the club, don't forget to choose the monthly for your frequency before checking out. Okay, to finish off the card, we're going to pop up the flower. Add that right to the corner here. We're going to have this big image popped up. We'll have this right in the center. And then we'll have the small flower popped up right here. Okay, so let's add some embellishments. I'm going to add some clear water droplets. Okay, I'm just going to add 3. So this finishes up our cards. I hope you enjoyed that. They turned out really cute. You can create some really fun cards real quick and easy with your box of the month for March. So I will see you back here tomorrow for our last reveal at 1 p.m. Central Time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye guys! If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications. Here are a couple more videos I think you'll enjoy.